Alright, it's Chris Bagwell. This is my Android Xamarin mobile app, Notes app. Let's go to the About here. Give it some time to do that. It is running on an emulator. Back to my notes. So I have a note here. I could add a note. Note. Save that. It saves it. We could edit a note. Let's just get rid of that edit. And we could delete a note. And that's it. Oh, I also wanted to show I could add and then go back. It's not there. And then I would demonstrate that when I close this, it does open back up with the notes that are listed in here. But it takes a while for my emulator to pop back up, and I don't know if I have time to put that into this video. So yeah, there's my application. Thank you.